Got some exclusive Galaxy S20 Ultra photos, real-life photos for you today. Good news, looks better than the renders. Want tech news in a way that doesn't suck? Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications if you're sitting on the toilet right now. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Front Page Tech, of course, show that gives you all latest tech news from one geek that is me to another that is you. Happy Wednesday. My God. Jam-packed show for you today. Let's get started. All right, so first up for the day, story numero uno, and this one is not good. There are news stories that you could categorize as good news, and then there are some that you would put into the bad news category. This would fit into that one, the bad one. So Google maybe kind of sort of sent some of your private videos to not you, to other people that were not you. Yep, that is as scary as it sounds. They started sending out emails to users to let them know that there was a technical issue that affected its takeout service between November 21st and November 25th of 2019 that caused videos within Google Photos to be, quote-unquote, incorrectly exported to unrelated users. Here's the email they sent out, and I love how they start that sentence. Unfortunately, yeah, Google, that's pretty fucking unfortunate, huh? Now, they say that less than 0.01% of Google Photos users were hit by this, but just to remind you, there's a billion users, over a billion users of Google Photos, so 1.01% is still a lot of people. And I, of course, am not a mathematologist. That's a word. I don't math very well, so you guys let me know. Nerds in the audience, leave it in the comments. What is 0.01% of 1 billion people? Regardless, they say that the issue has now been identified and resolved, so there's that. That's cool, but you know, still, some strangers might have your peenie. Videos of your peenie, and that's not good. Yeah, so that's not good. That would easily classify as one of those oopsies, I think. The oopsie doopsie poopsie? That would be one of them. All right, so next up, you may have seen this already if you're scrolling through Twitter. You probably saw something a little bit different, and we're like, whoa, what's that? I'm gonna tell you what was that. They tweaked something ever so slightly in the iOS app for Twitter, which, assuming that if this works out on the iOS app, it'll roll out for everybody. They just slightly changed the way that threads are displayed as you're scrolling, and it shows replies to the thread. They've organized that a little bit more. You just follow the line, connect the dots, and that's how you read. Congratulations, you did it. Yeah, that one's kind of a small story, but it's a thing, and you may have noticed it, and there you go. That's why it's happening. If you're on iOS and you haven't seen that yet, you should probably update your app. You slacker. All right, so last up, the juicy stuff, the Samsung stuff. As you know, throughout the week, I was leaking prices from T-Mobile, Verizon, AT&T. I now have those confirmed. That's the first part of the story. I have those confirmed. So if you watch this show, you already know this part. I'm just going to put it up on your screen. These are the prices confirmed from a Samsung rep themselves. Obviously, these are US prices, so everybody else, I don't know. And then, of course, that was covered a bunch in the news outlets. Like this one, and 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 this one. But there was one very special article about me, thanks to Forbes and probably the worst tech blogger there is that exists on the planet, Gordon Kelly, or as we call him here on this show, Gordon Smelly. He doesn't like me very much, and in his article, he said, vociferous YouTuber John Prosser. That's me, vociferous YouTuber. Now, hang on, I know you're about to go look the word up. I got you, okay? A vociferous person is a person who is constantly or noisily crying out or making a statement. So basically, he called me noisy and annoying. Gordon, is it because I call you Gordon Smelly? Is that why you called me vociferous? Listen, it's fine. It's fine that you called me vociferous and put that in your article, because you know what this means, right? Right, Gordon? Gordon Smelly must be part of the Toilet Squad. Oh, look at him. Honorary Toilet Squad member right here. Gordon Smelly, everybody. Okay, so other than price leaks, how about some real-life photos of the Galaxy S20? Like, real photos of the real device We're just around the corner from the event, but why not? Everything's leaked, so why not? Let's go. So somebody posted this photo on Reddit last night. Of course, then it was sort of passed around. Ice Universe saw it, and then he tweeted it. So this photo right here is from Reddit. That Reddit post has since been deleted. Have no idea who it was. But I do have a couple more for you, a couple exclusive photos that were sent to me. I'm assuming that they were taken by the same person because it seems to be in the same location. Here is photo 1, obviously in the same location as the one from Reddit, but you can see a bit more of the phone here. And listen, I gotta be honest, like I don't know if this justifies the price at all, but it looks a lot better to me, in my opinion. It looks a lot better than the renders. It just looks more polished, more finished. I like this a lot. Of course, what you just looked at was the S20 Ultra. How about another one? As you can see in this photo, on the left is the Galaxy S20 Ultra, and then on the right is the Galaxy S20 Plus, in different colors this time. And again, I love this. It looks so good. It looks much better than the renders. As we expected, if you zoom into that lens in both photos, really you can see that 100 times zoom printed there for marketing on the lens itself. So there you go. I'm curious though, what are your opinion now seeing it sort of in real life in a real photo? Does it justify the price for you? Do you want this phone? Are you interested? Are you still gonna buy any of these models, even though they're kind of expensive? I will say I've seen a lot of photos, like a lot more photos than what I just showed you, and much higher quality, but I promised a friend I would not show you those, so I can't show you those. So there's that. Those are what I can show you. I guess we just wait for the event now. I think that can hold you over. You good? Okay. And that's the show. Hopefully you liked it, you learned something. If you did, hit the like button. If you hate my stupid face, that dislike button works too. If you're new here, subscribe. I know you wanna. I'll see you guys tomorrow.